MI-307 Slim and Heavy-Duty TV Wall Mount Installation. Use a stud finder to locate the center of the studs and hold the wall mount to the wall in the desired mounting location. Place the bubble level centered on the top of the wall mount and ensure that the mount is level. Mark the center of the studs through the mount as shown. Remove the mount from the wall and drill pilot holes in the marked locations using a 3/16 drill bit. Hold the wall mount to the wall over the holes. Check the level once again and install the 6 lag screws and then tighten until secure. To install the mount into concrete or brick, follow the same process as the wood stud installation. Make sure to use a 3/8 mortar drill bit for the pilot holes and install the concrete anchors before installing the lag screws. Attaching the VESA brackets to the TV. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes, then attach the right and left VESA brackets to the TV as shown using the selected bolts. Ensure that the 2 nuts on the side of the VESA brackets are facing towards the outside edge of the TV, or you will be unable to properly adjust the tilt of the screen. Hang the TV on the wall mount as shown so that the top of the VESA brackets hook onto the top of the wall mount. Then swing the bottom of the TV down until the latches of the lower end of the brackets click into place. Attach the pull cords to the wall mount to keep them concealed behind the screen. Tighten the bolts to adjust the level of the screen by tightening the bolt on the side that needs to be raised and loosen the bolt on the opposite side if it needs to be lowered. Micro adjustments can also be used to align the height of multiple TVs when used in video wall mount configurations. Partially loosen the upper nut on both VESA brackets to adjust the tilt of the screen. Once the desired tilt is achieved, tighten the bolts back down to prevent further movement. To remove the TV from the wall, pull down on the cords to release the latches. Pull the base of the TV away from the wall, then lift the TV up and off the wall mount.